BJP na leibak asigi constitution amasung democracy bu namthanabagi chatharakliba Thabak thouram Khudingmak Lakshinnaba Hotnagani haina AICC ki Congress Working Committee ki Member Gaikhangam na phongdorakli. Hiram asigi matangda Gaikhangam na hai India ki constitution na sanglaba chahi hufutara mangagi khongchat mapung phabaga mari lainana haukiba tang taraga tarita parliament discussion ama pangthukhe. Maduda Union Home Minister Amit Sana, father of Indian Constitution haina ikai khumnariba Dr. B.R. Ambedkar bu thawai usitana ngang sakhe. Union Home Minister Amit Sana phongdokliba wafam adubu AICC ki president na akanwa mongda yaningdaba phongdokpaga luinana Amit Shah gi resignation demand tokhe. Leibak thibade Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Amit Shah bu kankatpa oina tongan wafam taruk expose tawrakhe. Union Home Minister Amit Shah na phongdokhiba wafam adugi mayokta haukiba tang taraga mapanda India bloc ki MP singna parliament mamangda protest tawkhe. Adubu Amit Shah kannabage BJP ki MLA makpigani MP sing parliament Makardwarda yot amadi chai pairaga tholakhe. Parliament ki security protocol matung ina parliament ta yot amadi chai amata pusin ba yade. Masida sunatna BJP ki MP singna charangnaba ama thokantuna aikhoi gi leader Mallikarjun Kharge laimai intukhe. Masida sunatna AICC ki general secretary su oidiba MP Priyanka Gandhi Badras dasu phajadaba wahai wata kaya sinakhe. BJP ki MP singna chathakiba thawong adugi thambak action lobagi mahutta opposition leader Rahul Gandhi ki mathakta yofam yaudaba wafam kaya phongdoktuna marasikhe. Thaudok adugi horakfam Rahul Gandhi da tahannaba BJP na honakhe. Rahul Gandhi di khwaidagi maru oiriba Adani amasung Manipuri issue ase BJP na nathainaba khonare haina uthokiba khaktane. Maram aduna Union Home Minister Amit Shah na Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gi matangna phongdokiba mathong huktaba wafam sing akana mongda kanyam tawe. Amit Shah khudakta resign Taugadabani haibase aikhoigi lengdraba demand oide. BJP na leibak asigi constitution amasung democracy board namthanabagi tamak chatharakliba Thabak thouram Khudingmak Lakshinnaba Hotnagadabani hainasu Gaikhangam na makatana phongdokhe.
Sri Amit Shah, BJP MPs sent with rods and sticks at the market door. Placards with rods and sticks are not allowed according to the security protocol of the parliament. But BJP MPs were allowed to bring them. They created ruckus, pushed our leaders, Congress President Sri Mallikarjun Kharge, who sat on the ground and got injured. Later, a chair was brought in for him. AICC General Secretary Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Bodraji was leading the protest with several women MPs, and several male BJP MPs pushed and misbehaved with them. Instead of taking action, BJP blamed the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, shamelessly lying that we created a commotion. The core issue, as our leader Sri Rahul Gandhi highlighted, was BJP's grand plan to subvert from real issues like Adani and Manipur. Therefore, we condemn the statement of Sri Amit Shah in Parliament against the father of the Constitution, Baba Saheb Dr. Bimrao Ambedkarji, and we demand immediate resignation of the Home Minister Sri Amit Shah.